Good morning, everyone. How are you guys? I don't even know how to start this vlog. I'm going to Greece today. Excuse my voice, it's still really early. It's 1 a.m. I just woke up and I went to bed at 10 p.m. yesterday because I was working late. But today we are going to Greece. I need to get ready now. We are going to the airport soon. I'm already excited. Good morning, everyone. We arrived at the airport. It's still really early. It's like 2:30 or something like that. Oh my god, my eyes look so bad. I don't only have luggage, I only have bags under my eyes. We need to check them in. Oh, it's too early. Let's go inside. I need to film a TikTok, by the way. But let's go in. So we just walked through security. Now we are in duty free. This is actually the first time I haven't beeped in through security, which I'm really happy about. My dad did beep in though. This is one of the best parts of the airport. There's that, by the way. Hi! Now we are going to get some food. Let's look around. I think they have Rio de Janeiro here. Dad, do you want to say hi to the vlog?
Hello. Morning.
So while we're waiting, we need some energy. We got some coffee cold. Let's try the Americano one, no, cappuccino. Haven't tried these before, but we need the energy. Oh, look how cute it is. It's like a hot candy, and it tastes like coffee. It's good. It's still so early that WH Smith is still closed. We are waiting for it to open so we can buy some food and drink, and definitely coffee. Let's see what they have. They have sushi! Oh wait, I need to put the angles like this. I think I'm going to have a tomato and basil pasta. Remember when we used to travel? I always get these. I think I'm going to get one of these. Or sushi. Oh, I don't know what to get. Look at those! Those look good. Cafe, no. What's this? That's chicken something. Vegan deluxe. Oh. Pasta chicken, fish selection. Should I get the sushi or tomatoes? Sushi. I don't know. What are you going to eat? They have sandwiches. Okay. I'm going to get the sweet and salty popcorn. And for drink, I don't think this one is in a meal deal. For my drink, I'm going to get the coffee. time of how my plane nearly crashed. After like 4.5 hours of flying, we were starting to land, but there was a massive turbulence, which I was like, okay, that's fine. And then the lights started flickering, like in the horror movies. But when we started landing, you have to know that the Heraklion airport is so small. Like the runway is super narrow and there's water around, like the sea is around it. And we tried to land, like the pilot tried to put the plane down like 5 times. We were going up and down like in a roller coaster, but we couldn't land. And instead of the plane going down, we went back up again. And then it was all quiet. So let's do a quick room tour. We just walked into our room. That's the door when you walk in. And on the left, you can see my bed. There's a single bed. Over here, as you can see, we got some wine. Here is the bathroom, toilet. And the other side is the shower. Look at that, there's a mirror over here. There's also a sink. And here is my parents' room. Look how pretty it is. We also got a private balcony where we can eat some breakfast. There's the pool lighting, palm trees. I'm going to show you that later. And here is the bed. It's a pretty big room. Now we are going to get some coffee. Oh, sorry. And it's so hot outside. It's boiling, which I love. It's a bit cloudy, but it's very nice. Oh, there's a little kitten. Oh. So we are at a cafe now. My mom and we ordered some iced coffees because it's boiling hot. I regret not changing my trousers. And Dad ordered just a regular hot coffee, latte. We are waiting for it to arrive now. Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Look how pretty it is. That's my dad's latte. And me and my mum, look how pretty. We both got the iced lattes. Oh, I think it's going to be nice and refreshing. The coffee was delicious. It was so nice and creamy. It was sweet but not too sweet. It was really good and refreshing the hot days. So quick outfit of the day. We are going to go to the pool now and at the beach. I'm wearing this blue bikini top, some black bikini bottoms and flowy linen white pants. It's boiling hot. And I also took my makeup off because I don't want my face to burn with my makeup on. now me and Dad, we are going to go to the supermarket. Wait, in front of Rita again. He was doing it before. I was filming myself. Now we are going to go to the supermarket. Big because in the restaurant we paid for her board for breakfast and dinner, unlimited dinner. Not all inclusive, but nearly. But they didn't give us any drinks, not even a cup of water or a bottle of water. So now we are going to a supermarket to find some drink. So yeah. Wow, it's so nice and pink. Look at that tree! Oh my god, it's so pretty. So Dad just finished his Pepsi. I got this Fanta. I think it's Dad, I think it's the lemon flavor and elderflower. It's really good. We also bought some peach drinks and other things for my mom as well. We're definitely going to come back here. They have very nice Lay's crisps that I've been looking for, like the oregano and the other flavors. So we're definitely going to come back in another day. We are going back to the hotel now. And it's boiling hot. It's like 30 degrees. No, 21. Oh, there's a car coming. That's like 21 degrees.